Let us say given variables are x and y. For me to say any equation is linear, highest power on the variable should be 1. Clear? Highest power on the variables should be 1. Example, let us say x equal to y. There are two variables present. Power on each of them is 1. That means highest is 1. So it's linear. Another example, let us say x equal to 6. Only one variable is present. Power on that variable is 1. So linear. Let us say x equal to 9y. Both the variables are present. On x it is 1, y it is 1. Highest of these two is 1. So this also linear. Clear? Let us say now it is x equal to y square. Here the power is 1, here the power is 2. Highest is 2. It cannot be called linear. Okay. Linear means highest power on the variables should be 1. For any equation to be called quadratic, highest power on the variables should be 2. Highest power on the variable should be 2. Example, x equal to y square plus 2. Two variables are given, x and y. Power on x is 1, power on y is 2. Highest of them is 2. So I can call this to be a quadratic. Okay. Another example is x square equal to 2. Only one variable is present. So what is the power on that variable? 2. So it's quadratic. How many variables are present is not of much importance. Only importance is highest power on the variable should be 2. Another example is, let us say y square equal to 2x square. Two variables, both are having power 2. Highest is also 2, so that can also be called as quadratic. Next example, let us say y cube equal to x. Power on x is 1, power on y is 3, so highest of the two is 3. So this cannot be called quadratic. Clear? Quadratic means highest power on the variable should be 2. For any equation to be called cubic, highest power on the variable should be 3. Highest power on the variable should be 3. For example, let us say x cube equal to 9y square. Both x and y are present, power on y is 2, power on x is 3. Of these two, highest is 3. So this is called cubic. Highest power should be 3. Let us say x equal to 9y cube. Here power on x is 1, power on y is 3. Highest is 3, so it's called cubic. Let us say x cube equal to 9. Here only one variable is present. How many variables is present is not of importance. Only highest power. Highest power is 3, so still cubic. Now let us say y cube equal to 9. Highest power is 3, so still cubic. Okay. Now let us say x power 4 equal to 9y power 1. Here the power is 4, here it is 1, highest is 4, so this cannot be called cubic. Clear? Cubic means highest power should be 3. For any equation to be called biquadratic, highest power on the variables should be 4. Highest power on the variables should be 4. For example, x power 4 is equal to 9y cube. Two variables are present. On x it is 4, on y it is 3. Highest of the two is 4, highest of both is 4, so it's called biquadratic. Let us say y power 4 equal to 90. Only one variable is present, not necessary both are present. Okay. Whichever variable is present, on those variables highest power should be 4. So here it is 4, so biquadratic. Another example, let us say x power 4 equal to 9 x cube plus y power 2 plus y. Look at power on the variables. Of all the powers, 4 is the highest. So this comes under biquadratic. Another example could be y power 4 equal to 9y cube plus 8x square plus 10x plus 90. Look at highest power on the variables is 4. So this comes under biquadratic. Hope you have understood. Highest power should be 4.